guys, nataron diri sa Kataal World War II Museum. Ano ko'y gusto ipakita ninyo guys, nami way back in the 70s and 80s guys. This is a Willys Jeep. So kung tanaw nimo, it's well preserved, no? And my father used to have this kind of Jeep when I was young, and I drove one actually. He let me sit in front. So morning Willys Jeep guys. Makita nimo, wapo you guys siya, no? Pagka-preserve. So I wish they will preserve this more. So these are jerry cans. Ayan. So na-miss na ko ang among jeep guys. Ikuha lang to. Tumati. Sayang kaya. Alright. Willys Jeep. So this is the museum. And on this side here, these are Japanese machine guns. Look at that. So these are remnants actually from World War II. And these are also Japanese machine guns, I suppose. And mortar tubes, probably 60 millimeters. Look at the rounds, guys. These are the rounds, 60 millimeter mortars. Kita ni mo rin pa mga propellants, no? Ilang casings sa mortar tubes. And yeah, these are the tips, I guess. So napadri, guys. Ayan. Itong alsahon, guys. Mubuto pa ni. Boom! Ayan guys, nakapasya yung mga mortar there guys, no? Grabe. Okay, this is a 55 howitzer or maybe an anti-tank. And this is another bomb guys. Alright. There's also a bomb, probably a 500-pound bomb. Ito kayo, grabe. These are Japanese helmets. Grabe, tagand na hapon sa unang panahon dire. Alright. Got these Japanese caps, GI helmets, cameras, some ceramics guys. Different uniforms here dating back to some woodland, and medyo modern na siya, no? These are actually relics from the 1930s as well as 1940s guys. They have some Japanese, caricatures. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Canteens. Yeah. Alright. GI helmets as well. Preserved good. And yeah, some cables. And you have the Singer sewing machine. Look at that. I'm not sure kung naapa ba itong amoa. Alright. There's a lot of stuff here guys. So ano mo diri sa Kataal World War II Museum. And they have some, old cassettes, some coins, and they have also some swastika, as well as